Hello everyone. We got a very rainy day today here in Virginia. This is typical weather. I'm going ahead today. I thought I'd go ahead and show you, what's going on. Usually I don't record these kind of things when it starts to rain. This is the weather that we get here in Virginia. As you can see, this is our back garden, what I call a little secret garden. I'm in back of my the back door. And right here where I'm standing at is where our kitchen is at, and I just love to look out. I love that view. Every morning I stand here and I look towards that way right there as the sun's coming up. That's the east. I just love it. As you can see, some of the roses have started to bloom. This is Gertrude Jekyll right over us, over me. I just wanted to go ahead and show you what's going on today. Typical weather. Usually we get a lot of rain. This is a spring rain here in Virginia, but this is something we see a lot living here in Quantico. We see rain even in summer, and it's something that we're going to miss a lot as we are preparing to move. This is something we're going to see a lot. We get to see a lot, the rain. And, it was a little bit of getting used to it for us. This is the most rainiest place we've ever lived at. I think the driest place was living in Arizona. Quite a while back, I remember we lived in Yuma. That was one of the most hottest and driest places ever. Then I would say second would have probably California. But anyways, this journey has taken us to so many places and get to experience a lot of different climates. Today I did a post on Instagram, and that's what actually inspired me to come out here and go ahead and do a video. Because I wanted to talk a little bit about it. You'll be seeing I hope I don't bore you with looking at the garden out there. I hope the rain is soothing for you guys. But yeah, this is already gonna be our 4th year here, and usually in every place we're at, by the 3rd, 4th year, we know exactly what kind of plants work perfectly with the type of climate we're living at. I learned how to garden in this place. For example, that area right there, very, very muddy. All that would be literally a pond. That wall right there, that bed right there actually helps. And the plantings that we had in there, but we've amended that so much that as you can tell, no water puddles there. The water only puddles right there. We learned to not care for grass and instead go ahead and to not do without grass and go ahead and plant hostas. As you can see, some of the hostas are coming up already. And then we have some ornamental grasses. I wanted to answer another question. I had seen a question about if you're moving very soon, why are you guys still planting? Well, we're planting because we still want to have some color, and the plantings that most of them are going to be in container. Those containers we're going to take with us. The front bed, we're going to do it because I would love to leave something for the people that are moving in. Hopefully, if housing here allows for that to stay there. But also, I don't know, I just think it keeps us busy while we're doing all this. And I know it looks crazy, but everything that you see here is in pots. Almost this whole garden is in container. So there's really not much that we need to do but pass on plants or go ahead and just wait for the day to put them in the moving truck. Hostas, things that are on the ground, most of them are actually in baskets. They just need to be pulled up. And then, it's very easy. It's really that easy. The bed right there, that's something we're going to be working on this week. It did get a little busy on us with a lot of things that are going on, so that needs to be pulled out. The espalier tree needs to, it's in a container, planted in there, needs to come out. So it's very easy, so no worries, guys. We got it. We know what we're gonna do. We've done this many times, so we got it, guys. Thank you for your concerns, but it's just about waiting right now and just the little things that we need to do here and there. Yeah, so usually Ambrose is holding the camera and you guys can see me, but I'm home right now and I'm not really dressed for camera time. But that is many of the reasons why sometimes I just don't come out, because I'm a stay-at-home mom. So right now it's not about, you know, me getting really all fancied up or anything for camera. Not that I'm always fancied up on camera, but yeah, not looking my best right now. I think you would rather look at this right now. But yeah, it's moving quick. I'm gonna miss this very much. Love the rain so much here. I call it the pretty rain here in Virginia, which is, you know, calm and soothing. We do get our storms, but that's not really a big deal. Not like storms back home in Texas. Now those are some crazy storms that, you know, we're used to. You know, lightning and thunder. Here you'll get that, but not that bad here in Quantico. We get this beautiful rain, and then the next day you just come out and it looks like a different garden. Everything is so luscious and big. I'm excited to see something happen. Right here I have the oak leaf hydrangeas, so they're already starting to bud up. I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna wet my feet, guys, just for you. I'm barefooted, but as you can see, I don't know if you can see, it's starting to, let me see, guys. The buds are starting to form on those oak leaf hydrangeas. And one of my dreams is to see flowers by that area, that bench. We've had them before. We've had those oak leaf hydrangeas before, but I've had them more towards this area, so they weren't getting too much sun. This is a north side area. Maybe 3 to 4 hours, about right here of sun, morning sun, and then, you know, we get all that over there. Stays very sunny, the wall, for the rest of the day till like maybe 4 or 5 it starts to come down. But the rest is all shade. The tree comes out, that it's already leafed out, so we need to do our cleaning. We were waiting for the seeds of the maple tree to drop. They have, so now we're gonna clean up. That's why it's very messy as well. We haven't done anything because we're just waiting for that. But yeah, going back to the hydrangeas, I'm very excited for the oak leaf hydrangea. They're the last, they are the first ones to bloom for us. So I'm so excited for those oak leaf hydrangeas to bloom, to be able to see them blooming right here and sit down, and I'm hoping I don't jinx myself, but to have those beautiful flowers right there. I have more of the hydrangeas outside there where they get more sun right now. I'm hoping and crossing my fingers that they will bloom. We did have some, you know, freezing temperatures that even though we covered them, we had unexpected temperatures, and that we weren't ready for that night, and I think it actually did some real damage to them. Okay, well, I just wanted to go ahead and say hi and show you what's going on. Sorry I didn't show myself today. I think it's weird when there's no face behind, you know, you don't see the person, but I don't know. I hope this was entertaining for you guys, just to see what's going on in the little secret garden. I still have a lot of things that I usually move around. You see bare spots because I still have a lot of other stuff that it's out on the other side getting more sun, or I just have them there for some other reason. But later we'll have a tour as more things are coming up, and you'll see us bring out more of these things this weekend. That is one of my main things to do. We will be showing you all that on video. Well, hope you guys are having a wonderful day, and like always, let us know what's going on. I will, in your area, we will be posting on Instagram, Facebook as well, so you can catch us there. Go over to our Facebook page. If you have questions, show your pictures, share. We would love to see your pretty too. Love you guys, and we will see you later. Goodbye.